Today yung renewal ng contract ko sa SB Clinic and sa mga hindi nakakaalam, 4 years na akong part ng SB Clinic family.
A dynamic blogger and content creator whose work reflects grace and self-assurance, Miss Pamela Gray. We are very thrilled to continue this journey with you as you inspire others to embrace their beauty and confidence. Let's give her a warm round of applause, everybody. Let's proceed with signing the contract. So we will sign each page, and after we have signed each page, we will then switch contracts and sign the same contracts.
It's been 4 years since I became part of SBT family. And nung time na yun, they're looking for a model for cat's eye procedure. And super na-amaze talaga ako kung paano nabago ni Doc Jampol yung looks ko. Isang tingin niya lang, alam niya na kung ano yung perfect for my face. And that time, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, super magaling talaga tong si Doc Jampol. And yes, 4 years na ako and I'm still fresh and
Yes,
more look younger and younger. Thank you sa SB Clinic family and Miss Angie and kay Doc Jampol.
Let's give her a round of applause, everybody. This is the start of a new chapter, so let's give her a round of applause, everybody. Thank you very much, Miss Pamela Gray.
Thank you so much, SB Clinic, for taking care of me, my skin, especially, and my face. Dahil sa SB Clinic, napipigilan nila yung pag-age ng face ko, yan, ng skin ko. Kaya pumunta na kayo sa SB Clinic, guys. Sobrang ganda talaga ng mga services nila and sobrang effective talaga.